Have you noticed those creepy, dark cartoon story videos that are taking over TikTok and YouTube lately? They're everywhere. Twisted tales, haunting animations, and stories so gripping you can't stop watching. Well, here's the crazy part. Some creators are turning these eerie little cartoons into viral gold mines. One YouTube channel I found has gained over 100 million views in just 2 months. That's insane. Their top video? Over 23 million views. The second one? 12 million. This isn't a fluke, it's proof that this niche is exploding, and if you're looking for your next viral content idea, this might be the one you've been waiting for. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral dark cartoon story videos step by step using 2 different methods. The first method is 100% free, perfect if you're just starting and don't want to spend anything. And the second method uses AI automation, so if you want results fast, you'll love this one. Stay with me till the end because I'll show you how to create these videos from scratch. Script, voiceover, visuals, editing, everything. Even if you've never made a video before. I'm Chase Brooks and this is Chase Profit, where we break down the smartest ways to build viral channels and make money online. Let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need is a story, a good one. And for that, we're using ChatGPT. You don't need to be a writer or a storyteller, just use this powerful prompt I've crafted for you. I'll link it in the description. It will generate an engaging, suspenseful story, perfect for your dark cartoon video. Once ChatGPT gives you your story, copy it into a document, that's your script. Easy, right? Now let's bring your story to life with visuals. Here's where it gets fun. Go to one of the viral channels already making these videos. Take a quick screenshot of their art style. Now, upload that screenshot into ChatGPT and ask it to describe the image and generate a prompt for you to recreate that same style using an AI image tool. Once you get that prompt, use any image generator you like, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or Firefly. ChatGPT will give you the exact keywords and style prompts you need to make your images look creepy, cinematic, and high quality, just like the viral ones. Now, after generating a few key images, it's time to turn that story into a voice. For this, we'll use Google AI Studio, one of the best free voiceover tools available right now. Head over to the website and click Generate Native Speech with Gemini. Select Single Speaker, choose your preferred voice, paste your script, and hit Run. Give it a few seconds and boom, you've got a studio quality AI voiceover ready to go. Pro tip, listen through and make sure the pacing feels natural. If needed, break longer sentences into shorter ones for better rhythm. Now, we bring it all together. Import your AI voiceover and all the images you've generated into CapCut or any editor you prefer. Start by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline. Then here's a secret that most creators ignore. Cut out all the unnecessary pauses in your audio. This keeps the viewer hooked and boosts your audience retention, which YouTube loves. Next, sync your images with the narration. 1 image per line or scene. Now add a subtle shake effect to your visuals. Search for shake in CapCut's effects. Drag it over your image clips. Set the speed to 1 and strength to 6. It gives that eerie, realistic motion that keeps the story alive. Finally, add your captions at the bottom using a clean, white font, and your video is ready to export. Now let's talk about the paid method that automates nearly everything. Perfect if you want to scale fast. We're using a tool called Klippy AI. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment. Once you sign up, you'll see tons of templates, but choose the one called Creepy Cartoon. Paste your story script inside, choose voiceover, and select your voice. Klippy uses 11 Labs voices, so the quality is top tier, perfect for YouTube shorts and long-form content. Adjust the stability to about 56% and similarity to 71% for a natural tone. Then click Generate Scenes. Wait about a minute and Klippy will automatically create your story visuals, animations, and voiceover. Next, add some background music. I personally like Tonight You Belong to Me. It's got that soft, creepy vibe that fits perfectly. Just lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voice. Pick your transition style. I usually go with dramatic and select a caption style that fits your tone. White, bold, and capitalized works best. And that's it. You've just created a viral level dark cartoon video in minutes. Now that your video is done, click export, title it strategically, and upload it to YouTube. To see consistent growth, post at least 1 video every 2 days. That's how the algorithm starts picking you up. If you watch my previous videos, how to access any AI tool free with LM Arena and make your images talk with perfect AI lip sync, this video connects perfectly with those. Together, these 3 tutorials give you everything you need to build a faceless, AI-powered YouTube channel that can grow and monetize fast. And yes, I've personally started a new dark cartoon story channel using this same method, and I'll be documenting my entire journey right here on Chase Profit. So hit that like button if you found value, subscribe for upcoming tutorials, and drop a comment saying Dark AI so I know you're ready to create your own viral series. I'm Chase Brooks, this is Chase Profit, and I'll see you in the next one.